What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. Okay, today, right now, I'm just spending the time with the Maestro. Just decided to record and give you guys a look inside of a Mexican print shop. And right now, what he's printing are these bags. They're like paper bags. And he's using vinyl ink. And right now, it smells really bad in here. I mean, I don't know how he does this, spending here all day painting this kind of ink, because it's real stinky, man. But yeah, so here's some bags. Got a whole print job to do. Almost done. Again, this is vinyl ink, and since this is little, the way he fixes it, a little off contact, that's his little off contact right here, man. A piece of ink, and a blade of a squeegee, and a knife. No te madreas con este olor, güey. No. Well, I usually come here a lot to hang out with this guy. Pretty cool guy. Sorry for the bad angle, because I forgot to bring my little tripod. But I'm helping him out. It's the least I can do, since he is kind of teaching me, and I've been learning a lot from him. So this is the chemical they use to put on the vinyl ink. I swear this is really strong. I mean, I don't know how I can stand all day here with this smell. And he uses this to clean and do the final clean with gasoline as well. Basically, they do this on the ink so it won't dry on your screen, because if it dries on your screen, then basically you'll get a locked screen. Alright, so again, like I mentioned, I come here all the time. Usually when I have time after work, I come through here and hang out with them. And if that's a print job, then he gives you some tips, advice, and I learn seeing things. And if I can help out, it's the least I can do, because I have been learning a lot from him. And right now, waiting for a table. He has another set of table for an exposure unit. He hasn't brought it yet, but I'm thinking of buying from him, because I want my own exposure unit. Even the one I have one right now at the house, but I don't really like it, because the way to put pressure on the screen, and the thing where I put my screens, there's not enough room for it, for a large screen. So I'm going to try to buy a table, and when it's here, I'll show you guys, to give you guys an idea of what I'm planning to do with it. Well, amigos, we're back here at the shop. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to film that much with the Maestro, because I didn't take my tripod, and I was holding the camera with my phone, and my hand kept blocking the microphone, up in my face, the camera, well, not a good angle, how do you say, shaky. So I started recording, but I'm planning on doing more of those kind of videos where I show you guys how a print shop here in Mexico works, because basically any shop here that does screen printing, they don't do just t-shirts, they do all kinds of things. I mean, they do, like you saw in the video, they do bags, they also do balls, soccer balls, calendars, glasses, cups. They do that. They do like napkins, for like parties, quinceañeras, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, so you have a print shop here in Mexico, you can offer a lot of those things, because that is a lot of business. And for me, doing that, with the those kind of print jobs, it's kind of difficult for me because they do use another ink, and they also use like another chemical to mix with the ink, so when dry on your screen. And right now, that to me, that's too complicated. And I told the Maestro that if someone comes with me a job, for that kind of work, I'll just take it to him, That way I don't want to like screw it up, and at the same time, get some extra money because I don't want to turn them away. Because if you do one job with someone, most likely they'll come back with more and they'll recommend you to someone else. So I don't want to turn down jobs, but I also don't want to accept them and not do them correctly. So it'll be easier for me to just pass it on to him. So I'm going to try film more with the Maestro and those kind of jobs, so you guys could get an idea of what exactly is going on. And also for me to learn, I would like to learn it, but right now I'm trying to focus more on t-shirts, start, master with that first, then step on to those other kind of print jobs. And let me go back to the flash, not the flash drive, let me go back to the exposure table, because I am planning on doing another one. And the Maestro, he has another extra table, but the only thing that's missing is the glass, little paint job, and I'm thinking of buying that from him, because the one I using my do-yourself exposure unit, the little thing, let me take you guys so you get a better look at what I'm talking about. I apologize for the horrible angle, but yeah, so for those who have seen my videos on my exposure unit, I use this to replace the screens here, but since I am planning on upgrading to aluminum screens, I'm going to be able to gain the 24 by 24 inches. And that doesn't fit here. And also I feel even when I press it down, I don't really get a clean, how do you say, when I press the film with the glass, I feel like it's uneven, and that kind of affects me because some light still gets through. So I'm thinking of upgrading to another exposure table. So yeah, so I'm going to buy that table from him. And he doesn't still have it at the shop, he has it at his house. So he's going to bring that to the shop, and then I'll look at it. Then I'm going to buy the glass to place on it. Then I'm going to figure out how to fit that in here, because literally I have no room here. So I'm going to try to find a way to move that table. But if I move that table, I won't have a place to press my heat press. But I'll figure it out when I actually have it here. I can't think of it right now. Alright, amigos, so you can say that's all for today's video. Just a small little vlog giving you guys a preview of a Mexican shop with the Maestro, and me talking about my exposure table that I'm thinking of buying so I could fix up and bring it to the shop to upgrade better, so I could fit my screens, my aluminum screens, because I am planning on buying more. And talking about aluminum screens, I did buy an aluminum screen from eBay. I'm still waiting for that to arrive, because I found some on eBay that were really cheap, and few months, like a month ago or something, so I'm saving some cash, and I was able to order the aluminum screen, and I'm just waiting for it to arrive. It should be here any time now, just so I could see the quality that it is from China, because there is a pack where you buy 6 for like 1,300 pesos, something like that. Basically what it cost me to buy these 2 screens from GoldUp. But the last thing I want to do is buy 6 screens and all of them to be crap. So I ended up buying one just to actually see it. And if I like it, then probably I'll end up buying the 6-pack. But that'll be for another video. I'll make sure to do an unboxing for that. So you gotta make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be notified when I upload that video. And before I go, again, like I always say in this video, make sure to follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to get in contact with me, feel free to message me through any of those platforms. But in the meantime, amigos, I'm out. I have been learning a lot from this guy. Sometimes when I have print orders where está hablando aquí, la cámara está